Introducing AutoRAN, a test automation framework utilizing real devices for comprehensive 4G and 5G radio testing. AutoRAN consists of three main components. Automation framework designed for creating scripts and automating test cases. The device rack includes modem bank housing real devices and modems supporting both 4G and 5G. UE bank consisting of real handsets. Attenuators to ensure accurate measurements and simulate real-world conditions. Combiner splitter assemblies for efficient signal management. The emulation package includes core network emulators and RAN-ORAN interfaces. These components are interconnected to facilitate comprehensive testing of eNode B or G-Node B. Amantya's AutoRAN is scalable from 16 UE to 256 UE depending upon the customer's testing requirements. It also provides flexibility for the user to select predefined APIs for testing various parameters. AutoRAN comes with pre-built test plans for 5G, 4G, and ORAN networks. We also provide inbuilt data package including IPR, FTP, HTTP, and QUIC for performance testing. With an external server and license, users can perform voice quality testing with predefined MOS packages. AutoRAN provides easy integration with automation frameworks including Robot and Selenium. It supports REST API, NetConf, and TR069 protocols for easy integration with customers' existing test infrastructure. It can also be seamlessly integrated into existing CI/CD pipelines. For comprehensive logging, AutoRAN captures Wireshark logs in PCAP files for both the device under test and connected devices. AutoRAN's unified dashboard provides an interface for managing the entire testing setup. Once logged in, a user can view total number of UE, rack counts, test cases, test suites, health check, last suite result, and real-time test running status. Users can add a test case in quick steps. Click on Add Test Case. Enter the test case details including name, description, category, time, number of UE, and iteration count. Select the UE logs or G-Node B eNode B logs. User also need to fill the execution index to run test cases simultaneously or parallelly. Select the relevant category from the dropdown. And select the relevant API command and MC and submit. You can now run the test from the list of test cases. For further flexibility, AutoRAN also provides the users an option to schedule test cases. The automation framework also provides an option to import and export test cases. Users can also write a custom code utilizing the utilities and libraries provided by Amantya. On the custom package page, you can add the file along with other details and description. Now, by navigating to Test Case page, users can select Custom Package category and submit the test case. You can use the predefined APIs in the UI to test custom packages. AutoRAN also allows users to create a test suite for multiple test cases. With this, users can create multiple suites for different test scenarios. On the test case results, user can view the status of the test cases. Users can also download the PCAP files of the logs for troubleshooting. With AutoRAN, testers can automate test cases, reduce testing cycles, and ensure faster go-to-market. Contact us to know more.